Hello student, let us come to the third module, or we can say the third part of the chapter, India, its size and location. Significant location. Now let us see the significant location of our country, India. As you can see, this is India. The very thickly part of the world, that is the Southeast Asia and East Asia. These are the very thickly populated part of the world, and these all part are very near to India. Thickly populated part means that area which are in economic language market. So India is close to market, which is helpful for it in its trade. The oil rich countries are these all are the Gulf Persian part of the world and Singapore, Indonesia also. These are that part of the world which are rich in oil, and today's world, modern world, oil is a major part of the economy, and India is near to these all oil rich countries, which is good for India. If we see its location, then India is this is the Indian Ocean, and India is on the head of the Indian Ocean, and because of it, this major role and its major position, India is the only country of the world on whose name we see a name of a ocean. Here is the Suez Sea route. Because of this route, you can see this Suez Sea route by this red line connect India to Europe and to eastern coast of America. So this is the earlier part of India known as the Cape of Good Hope. In part now after this Suez Canal, Europe and America is 7,000 kilometers near. If you see the busiest air route, which you can see through this white line, like from Europe to Australia, Japan to Europe, Japan to America, and some other major sea routes. These are those sea routes which goes from the sky of India, and they took permission from India to enter in its skyline. So this is how we see the importance of India, where its skyline is used by many international and important airways. And as I already discussed that the third largest ocean, that is the Indian Ocean, is on the name of India, which shows its significant location. Now after its significant location, let us come to India's India's contact with outside world. India is in the eastern hemisphere. This is the line eastern part. This is the western part. Eastern hemisphere of the world, also known as the Oriental world. India is exchanging its ideas and commodities since ancient time. From here, Kerala leads spices to the clothes and other things. India's the Upanishad, Ramayana, and Panchtantra, Indian numerical system, the decimal system could reach to the many parts of the world. We have very old literature with two Puran, 18 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, and 2 epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. And through this we send ideas to the rest of the world, not only through this but also through the Jain religion and the Buddhism religion which developed in India. Spices, muslins and other goods were taken to different countries from here. We also see the influence of art and culture. The influence of art, Greek sculpture and architectural styles of domes and other things we found in India. Let us come to the last one point, and that is the India's neighbors. Let us go from one side, from west side. From here to here, India is touched with Pakistan, and the state we touch it are uh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir. A little bit part of the country, Afghanistan also touch here in the northern part of the Kashmir. From here to Arunachal Pradesh, India is touched with China. The state touched with it are Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh only. Then is the Nepal, touched with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. From here to here, West Bengal and Sikkim. Now Bhutan touched with West Bengal, Sikkim, and Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. This is Bhutan. Now this is Burma. The military government of this region call its nation Myanmar. It touched with Andaman Nicobar. Sorry, it touched with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. And this is Bangladesh. It touched with West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. The country which the longest boundary line of India is with the country Bangladesh, as you see here. The other nations are, we consider neighboring countries are Thailand, then here is the Malaysia, Singapore, near to Andaman Nicobar Islands, Sumatra Island of Indonesia is also near to India, and this is Sri Lanka. South of Lakshadweep, the 100 island nation is Maldives. So these all are the neighboring countries of India. So this is how in this chapter we see the location of India, its size, its location, and the role of India, its contact with the rest of the world plus the neighboring country of India. Any kind of doubts and problem, please send me your doubts. I'll definitely clear your doubts. Or you can visit to bipindogra.blogspot.in and personally send me and contact me with your problem. That's all in the chapter India, its size and location. Thank you.